अमेरिकी सदर जो बाइडन ने मशरिक वस्ता की कशीदा सूरत हाल पर अपने पहले बयान में कहा है कि इसराइल की सिक्योरिटी अमेरिका की तरजीह है। हर मुमकिन मदद फराहम करने की भी यकीन दहानी करा दी। ये भी कहा कि उर्दन समेत मशरिक वस्ता के दीगर अहम मुस्लिम ममालिक से भी राबते में हैं।
The world is watching. I've also been in contact with the King of Jordan, spoken with members of Congress, directed my national security team to engage with their Israeli counterparts, military to military, intelligence to intelligence, diplomat to diplomat, to make sure Israel has what it needs. I've also directed my team to remain in constant contact with leaders throughout the region, including Egypt, Turkey, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Oman, the UAE, as well as our European partners and the Palestinian Authority. And let there be no mistake, the United States stands with the state of Israel, just as we have from the moment the United States became the first nation to recognize Israel 11 minutes after its founding 75 years ago.